Just remember the true spirit of Christmas lies in your heart. Merry Christmas. Respected teachers and my dear friends, today I am here to present a short speech on the topic Christmas Day. Christmas is the season of love, harmony, and celebration. This is a particular time to celebrate Jesus Christ's birth. Being a festival for Christian also, this festival is celebrated by everybody with great enthusiasm as well as joy. People light their homes with candles, decorations, and Christmas trees, which is a must for symbolizing Christ. Christmas carols are one of the best things, or can be said as the best charm of this festival, which is sung in the churches to welcome the occasion festivities. It is essentially Christmas that reminds us that we should stick to the essential aspects of humankind. In other words, during the celebration, we will share, offer, and the less fortunate, spend time with loved ones, and have a good view of life. Christmas preparations generally begin on Christmas Eve, which includes buying decoration, food, as well as loads of gifts for everybody, including the children in the family and our beloved friends. Every shop will be selling Christmas decoration, and somewhere in the distance you can hear choirs singing Christmas carols. The experience is almost enchanting and makes you forget about all your problems for a while. People singing and dancing, sharing gifts, spending time together, eating traditionally prepared turkeys, catching up with long lost childhood friends, visiting distant relatives, and putting a smile on people's faces and showing a lot of love towards each other is all that about Christmas. People rejoice with great enthusiasm and celebrate Christmas with their friends and families annually. But at such times of joy, we should remember about those who are much less fortunate than us. Amidst all the shopping for gift, we should also remember to make a voluntary contribution to uplift the society. So this Christmas you might just be the Santa Claus for someone who really needs help. A gift as small as a blanket or warm food might cheer them up more than one can imagine. Children can make old people happy just by talking to them and cheering them up. So why not initiate a will for volunteering at a young age to make this world a better place to live in? And I am sure everyone has at least one needy person living across the road or maybe around the corner of the street. As a part of this community, we should also remember about everyone else belonging to it. Christmas might be the celebration of the birth of Christian community, but it is now celebrated by people from other countries all over the globe. Kindness and love are what make the celebration more fulfilling than ever. People decorate their homes and the area nearby with decorated pine trees and glamorous lights. The most enthusiastic bunch of Christmas are the children who eagerly wait for this day throughout the year. Carols like Jingle Bells, Silent Night, Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, etc. are some of the famous jingles or carols of this festival. The festival of Christmas is generally celebrated by not just Christians but by everybody to celebrate the birthday of Jesus Christ. People celebrate Christmas with great enthusiasm and joy, and this day is declared a worldwide holiday. People distribute gifts and cards by dressing up as Santa Claus. The 24th December, which is Christmas Eve, when all Christians generally start their custom and tradition. Jesus Christ was ultimate image of forgiveness, so people on that day visit their families, friends and relatives so that to celebrate together. So, what is Christmas? Yes, Christmas is the season of love, harmony, and celebration. The Christmas celebration is a symbol of peace and love. Christmas is also known as Yuletide because it lasts for 12 days, which is from 25th December to 5th January. The pagan celebration of the term known as Saturnalia emanated Christmas. This celebration aimed to celebrate the sunrise and winter end. The last day of Saturnalia was adapted for Christmas in the 4th century. The goal was to obtain a positive association between this spirit and the pagans. In reality, Saint Nicholas is the renowned Santa Claus. Santa Claus is now considered as a famous figure of Christmas who is assumed to give gift to good children on Christmas Eve. The Queen's Christmas message, also known as the King's Christmas message, in the reign of a male monarch formerly as Her Majesty's Most Gracious Speech, is a broadcast made by the Sovereign of the Commonwealth Realms to the Commonwealth of Nations each Christmas. The tradition began in 1932 with a radio broadcast by King George V on the British Broadcasting Corporation's Empire Service. Since 1952, the message has been read by Elizabeth II. Today it is broadcast on television, radio and the internet via various providers. On this Christmas, I wish that happiness and joy fills your home and life. May you have a wonderful Christmas. Thank you and have a nice day.